Good morning, boys and girls. I hope all is well. Here's what I would like for you to do. I want you to look at this and tell me, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Pause the video and on a sheet of paper or just in a discussion with your parents or your siblings, tell them what you notice about this picture. What do you wonder about this picture? Write it down. Write two things that you notice and two things that you wonder. All right. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about arrays. Okay? So the first thing that we are going to think about is, here's the story. There's a company, a candy company. It's called the Dandy Candy Company, and it wants to design new rectangular boxes for their chocolates. So they're asking us to show all the different ways you can arrange 12 chocolates into equal rows and columns. Remember, that means we're going to form them into arrays. So we need 12. All right. Here's what I want you to know. We can form it three columns, I'm sorry, 4 rows, as you can see here. 3 columns going down, 4 rows going across. The number of columns and the number of rows are factors. Remember, factors are the numbers that we multiply to get the product. Remember, the product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Now, another way that we could have created an array for this particular candy was to have the factors of 2 and 6. The product would be 12. So if I did 1, 2, let me see if I can make that a little bit thicker. Let's go to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe the box could be 2 rows of 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there we're showing, oh, I'm sorry, let me go back to my drawing. Let's see. There we just showed where we could have factors 2 and 6 or 6 and 2. And I showed you in an array. Here we go again. So you can see. So we have 2 rows of 6. Or we can have 6 rows of 2. Okay, and the factors here, let me go back to this smaller so I could write it. So we have 6 columns, just going to put 6E. Oh, let me erase that. I didn't do that so well. And there are 2 in each row. And if we were to write that as a multiplication problem, it would be 6 times 2. That doesn't look like a 2. There we go. Equals. All right. Do you all see that? Now, you're going to have to do something similar, okay? So let's see. Here's your problem. The D&D Candy Company wants to expand their options. So we know they were doing boxes of 12, but now they want to consider doing boxes of rectangular boxes that have anywhere between 13 and 24 pieces of candy. Here's where you have to think. Can you create an array? And you have to think what numbers are between 13 and 24. So when you solve this problem, you're going to look for numbers between 13 and 24. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You're going to see which of those numbers you can create arrays with. And then you're going to decide what quantities of chocolate can they offer and why. Okay? When you are finished answering this question, then you're going to write a letter to the D&D Candy Company explaining what boxes and quantities that you would recommend for their new design. And you can include some drawings. All of these assignments can be completed. I have a Google document that you can write on to give your information about what numbers and how you came up with them. Remember, when you are going to the drawing tool to help you draw this information, remember you are to go to Insert and then look for the drawing. And when you do there, you will be able to do the drawing circles and different shapes. All right, have a great day. If you have any questions or comments, please comment on my eClass page where this assignment will be posted. All right, bye. Have a great day. See you Monday.